hola, ¿qué tal? Welcome back to Learn Spanish World. Bienvenidos. I'm Mr. Brigs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every Friday. Today's video is entitled How to Say Let's Practice in Spanish. But before that, I would like to extend you a warm welcome and invite you to subscribe to my channel. Click the red button and start learning Spanish with me this year. Practiquemos. That means let's practice in Spanish. Practiquemos. You can also say vamos a practicar. They both mean exactly the same thing. I chose practiquemos because it's one single word, so it may be a bit easier. Let's see a few ejemplos. Let's practice Spanish. Practiquemos español. Practiquemos español. Practiquemos español. Muy bien. Siguiente, next one. Let's practice speaking in Spanish. Practiquemos hablar en español. Practiquemos hablar en español. This will get easier and easier. The more you practice, the more you listen and repeat, the easier it will become. Let's practice together. Practiquemos juntos. Juntos means together in Spanish. Practiquemos juntos. Muy bien. You're getting the hang of it. Let's see otro ejemplo. Another example. Let's practice more. Practiquemos más. Más means more in Spanish. Practiquemos más. Can you say that? Practiquemos más. Another ejemplo. Let's practice these exercises. Practiquemos estos ejercicios. Practiquemos, let's practice, these ejercicios, exercises. Fantástico, siguiente. If you're learning to dance Latin music, let's practice the steps. Practiquemos los pasos. Practiquemos los pasos. Fantástico. I think you're getting the hang of it. If you wanted to ask somebody or to say, let's practice pronunciation, you would say, practiquemos la pronunciación. Practiquemos la pronunciación. That's how a native speaker of Spanish would say it. Practiquemos la pronunciación. Let's practice vocabulary. Practiquemos vocabulario. Practiquemos means let's practice vocabulario. You need to practice. Practiquemos. Let's practice. You're doing just fine. Let's practice some grammar. Practiquemos gramática. See that little accent on top of the A, the second A? Gramática. That's telling you to emphasize that A. Gramática. The accent in Spanish is called tilde, T-I-L-D-E. Let's practice guitar. Practiquemos guitarra o practiquemos la guitarra. In some countries they use the article. In some countries, especially young people, they simply say, oh, practiquemos guitarra. Let's practice the guitar. Muy bien amigos, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm currently working in new formats, so I thank you for being patient, but I will be releasing some new surprises and new formats for some of the videos that I will be uploading. So if you don't want to miss out, I invite you to subscribe and to watch some of my videos. I have an extensive playlist of different topics. I got nearly 300 videos, so feel free to go through it and subscribe. And before I go, I wanted to thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. You mean so much to me. Please take care and I hope to see you soon. Adios.